Hey, this is Jerry at M7 Speed. Hey, we're doing a quick video today to show you how to change ignition coils on either an N14 or an N18 engine. Super easy. This is an N18. So N18 has a cover over the coils. Very easy to remove. Just grab it by the front, lift straight up. It'll pop off, pull it straight forward, and it exposes the coils. So here's your 4 ignition coils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super easy. You lift up on this clip and it pushes that connector out. We'll show you again how to do that. You just lift up on this clip and it pushes the connector. You pull the connector off the coil. Now, depending on how old these are or if they've ever been out, they're a little tough to get out. This one's pretty easy. Just pull it straight out. There's your coil. That's an OEM coil. Now to replace it, here's the replacement coil we sell, a Bosch replacement coil, high performance. I like to use a little dielectric grease on it. This isn't required, but it's just a good habit as a good mechanic. A little dielectric grease, it's electrically conductive grease. You just take some grease. I use a little zip tie, just get yourself a little bit like that. Put it on the inside here where it touches the spark plug. Just a tiny little bit, a little dab will do ya, like that. Simply pop the coil down in, push it all the way down until it seats down tight to the cam cover. Push your connector on, like that. Feed it in until this starts to move down, and then just simply latch it. Done. That's, you replace 1 coil. The other 3 are identical to that procedure. So that's it. Very easy to do. How to change your ignition coils. Have a good day.